Yeah, Instagram. Live we set today. Yeah man. AZ the girls I'm on know the baby, yes man I say. Yeah, I'm live, you know. AZ live. Everybody log in, log in. So I have a topic to touch, you know, but I wait liquor, you know. Want to see some people log in. All of my Instagram people them. Everybody will have Instagram, log in pan right now. I'm live right now. Yeah. What she want, that girl she want. Who she want, yo, what hazy she want. What she want, and the kind that she want. Ooh, girl. Because what? Me well want a boss, say me a forget a boss. And when me boss I did the girls them first, yeah. Well want a boss, say me a forget a boss. Jiggle it, big up yourself. And when me boss I did the girls them first, yeah. Me say me life doesn't make like a but again son. Time for serious skin teeth business done. Right and the one money me a run down. So me now waste no time me a go make some rhyme. Love is when they sexy body girl them a wine. Like how them a muggle and a move them waistline. Especially them a do all the go wine. And them a girl me want in a me bedroom fit. Hey Z, the girls them wanna know me baby. I may say yo log in now. Log in now. Now have a serious topic today to talk about, you know. Log in on the Instagram. Live. Then bring me a bottle of water, please. It's all about the time when the girl them get the wine and they marking down the time. Cause they want to remember easy. And so me give it to them hard, they may take it down a yard, they may take it over broad. The girl them said them love me. Hey, the girls I'm on a lonely. Yeah, respect. I mean I say log in pan it now. Me live. Like, me not no followers there. Alright. You what me do now? Me I try wait to see who I log in, but I don't see nobody yet. I'm going to start the video and upload it to YouTube. You see me? So who never get to see, then we see it on YouTube. You see me? I say, I'm going to upload it to AZ the Girls Them One and Only Baby channel. The AZ the Girls Them Baby channel. That is where I'm going to big up Alien. The live Alien. The dep on the thing. We have a serious topic to talk about today, you understand? Yeah man, big up Alien. Alien, you see the green skin song there, it take off, yeah, mash up the world. I want a wicked tune. You see me I say, cause marijuana yeah sing about, you know, so I don't know. Alien, share a broadcast now. We want to get some more people. Yeah man. Yeah man, big up yourself man. We're up, we always up. You see me I say, Jenny, control her baby, come here do something right now. Jacasta, what's wrong? What's wrong with the baby? Yeah man. Yeah, man, for sure, you know. Yeah. Share the broadcast and see if we can get some more people to come in our chat room because we want to talk about something. You see me answer? I have a topic that unbug me from the other day. You know what I mean? We talk about the bloggers them today. You see me answer? We talk about the bloggers them, you know what I mean? Yeah, Jamaican bloggers them, you know what I'm saying? That we talk about today. Yeah, for sure. You get what I say? Yeah, man. I hear a look nice in the background. The people them are cut the lawn outside, you know. Yeah. So, what I do? I'm going to post this on YouTube. So, anybody who never get to join in our broadcast, then we see it on YouTube. So, I'm going to start right now. You see the bloggers them on the YouTube, the Jamaican bloggers them. Some they are Jamaica and some they are America, yeah. And England and them place there. Well, I talk more about the one them are they over foreign, yeah, because some of them get them papers and them they are foreign and live a foreign and them a blog about Jamaica. You see me I say, but here what man them a do now. The man them a pick out the worst topic for black boat. You see me, because that day I see a brother post up a list of murder rate. You see me I say, a list of murder rate. You see me I say, okay. Alright, I'm going to post it on YouTube. You see me I say. So, you see a blogger put up a list of murder rate. You see me I say, we don't want to see that, Bridget. You see me I say, we don't want to see that. You see me, because every country, crime and murder go on there. Every country. And not Jamaica alone. You see me I say, so right now, when you post up them the thing, they know the baddest thing, worstest thing about Jamaica. Jamaica, I want tourist island. Tourist, I want our main resources right now. You see me I say, because you don't know the government to sell out the country and them things there. But tourism, I want our main resources. When you post up them the kind of picture they bridging, you see me I say, be a murder they go on at Jamaica, my youth. You go mess up the tourist industry right now because people now go and travel to come visit Jamaica. You see me I say, and the crime where they commit at Jamaica are people who have problem with themselves at Jamaica. You see me I say? So when you stop people from coming to a country, you just stop enough people food. You get what I say? You just stop people working at hotel, a lot of people working at hotel. And you have a lot of people working at airport. You see me I say people working at party spot them. People that do duty tour. You see me I say people that work on the beach, Duns River Fall, Margaretaville, Pier 1, all of them the place there. You have workers where tourists are come support. You get what I say? You have people in the street at work. You have people in the craft market at work. You see me I say? Because you see in the street you have people where in the street where tour guide the tourists them and the tourists them pay them. Because tourists come, some of the tourists them they don't want to stay in a hotel or stay in a tourist area. They want to go downtown, go in a certain neighborhood, go know certain things. And you have man where tour guide them. You see me, and them pay them, and the man them now hurt the tourists them blood. You see me, I say, so when you stop all of them the thing, they know when you put up bad news, you know what I mean, and stop all of them the thing, there enough people food they stop. You see me, I say, craft market. In a craft market, there's a lot of vendors, a lot of things selling in a craft market. And every tourist come to Jamaica, they want to carry on back a little piece of craft. They say, yeah, I visit the island. You see me, I say, and at the end of the day, when they try to stop them the people food, I know a lady, you know, for in my era, for me a youth, I know her, and she, a craft she deal with, she make straw hat, straw basket and design them, and that a fair living. And in growing two son them, then turn big man and now they work. One of them a barber, big up Rick, in a mobile. A barber that in a mobile, Rick. You see me I say? and bigger the next brother. You see me I deal with? Them the two youth there, a craft market the mother sell craft from them a baby till now. And she still a do it. You see me I say, so when you don't put up bad news now and say murder rate high in Jamaica, people now go and go to Jamaica. Tourists now go and go to Jamaica. You get what I say? And tourist area clean. You see me? Tourist area well secure. You see me I say? Well secure. Even neighborhood them, tourists are go and now get no hurt. Because me have a sister who live in Belgium right now. Big up your land there. You see me I say? Big up yourself. That a girl, when she live in Jamaica, she also do tour guide. And me there Mall Road in my neighborhood, a 2 blood clot coaster full of white people up there. You get what I say? Full of white people. And them a walk around in our neighborhood, go drink liquor, who a bun weed, all kind of thing a go on. You see me I say? And nobody no get hurt. Then live in a one piece. You see me I say? So when you see one little crime a go on bridging in our country and you go and put that in a social media, everybody there on YouTube. And social media, people get all of the news them what the mainstream now put out. You get what I say? So you not use your platform just for degrade Jamaica, that the way the blood. True you the America or England or wherever you want they have papers and you say you can live here so you not have to go back to Jamaica. You degrade the country and make people in the country with name of food out of tourism now gonna get for name of food. You get what I deal with? You don't know if you do them thing the blood. Better you put up a video say yo, how to solve a crime in Jamaica. You see me I say, you better you put up them the video there. Me now say man now put up them the video you know, because So Flow do a lot of video like that. You see me I say give idea, you know what I mean? But it better you do those type of video, but not do no video say yo you put up murder rate. The murder rate is so high on a list. That not right. You see me I say? That not right because Jamaica, the Prime Minister them, the Member of Parliament them corrupt. You get what I say? Member of Parliament them corrupt. The security force in Jamaica corrupt. And that's at the head of the stream. So if the head of the stream corrupt and dirty, and I expect say bottom of the stream go dirty. Bottom of the stream half dirty. So why you have to use the platform and do? Give the government of Jamaica idea how to clean up the country. Starting from cleaning up for them own cabinet. You get me I say? And starting by cleaning up the police force. You get what I deal with? And big up to Renita Adams too. Because I know people even not even like Renita Adams. But you see that brother there, I want one good worker. You see me, one good police. And them the man they should have be commissioner right now. Because them the man when them go on mission, all the police them have to give him a phone and then lock off the phone in my station. No police no go on no mission with no cell phone. I just radio them use. Because some of the police them I call the criminal them and I alert them say, yo, we'll raid the area today. You get what I say? And then them the bad man they gonna hide. You see me I say? So I saw you have to clean up the force. You get me? Once you clean up the force, things will change in the country. You see me I say? But in the meantime, bloggers do not put up any murder rate of what they go on in the country. Put up how to solve the problem. Use your platform to create solution. Don't use your platform for cause more problem. You get what I say? Because you might live America or England or wherever you want to live and in a day, you go do video and then when people start backlash up on social media and I tell you go suck this and suck that and they want to kill you and blah blah. You know go afraid to go your own country. You know do them thing there. Think about what you're gonna say before you say it. You see me I say? Meds what you gonna say before you say it. You get what I say? Cause at the end of the day, me, the America right now, me live America blood and me can go to Jamaica anytime I want. Run up and down go anywhere in a whole of garrison them. Me come from Mobile, me go a Flanker, me go a Green Pan, me go a Rose Heights, me go Norwood, me go everywhere. You see me, Mumpella, me live. Me run through Monkey, Mumpella, Copperwood, Cambridge, everywhere. You see me? Big up the whole area. You see me, I say, I saw me deal with the thing, because I don't have no problem with nobody. You see me, I say, and me I use my little platform right now for push out knowledge to the people them. You see me, I say, crime gone everywhere. Everywhere have crime blood. Everywhere have crime. America, yeah, crazy thing going on, so. Crazy thing. You're in a club or party, a man just come in and shoot up, all 28 man dead. People in a church, man go in there shoot up church. When service are going, 9 people dead. And them nothing going on, them a country of blood. So you can't put little Jamaica now and go on like say Jamaica a worst place in the world. For stop people food. For stop people food. And enough people that inherit out of tourism at Jamaica. You get me? I say, watch her now. A tourist come and he have $2,000 in his pocket. Just say a $2,000 spending money. Because you see me, I say, man a go a Caribbean, he might push a buy them ticket. Because man a buy them ticket for months before. You see me? Some of them company give them free trip for them vacation. You get me, I say? And they might have $2,000 in them pocket. You see me, I say? $2,000 and $200,000 in Jamaica. You get me, I say? Boom, that a person come and he meet somebody in the street. And he say, hey, you know, mainly, I want to go in a downtown, I want to go in a community, whatever, wherever. You see me, I say? And that person, I say, alright, go with that person. You see me, I say? And the person, protect that person, everything good. You feel well happy and good, he might go in his pocket and say, yo, see a $500. $500 are actually 60,000 in Jamaica, you know. You see me, I say, that can cover a little gap. Because a man might have billions and can buy 200 black out of that, or he might can use that buy some food for serve him for 2 months or sitting. You see me, I deal with, or buy something when he need that. So that cover a little gap there, so when time you go put up Jamaica a worst place in a murder rate, to stop it tourists them from coming in the country. Enough people food you go stop. You get me, I say, enough people food. You see me, I say, because when me went there at Jamaica, you know, me meet my wife at Jamaica, Margaretaville, one day. You see me, I say, and me and my wife link and everything. And when me broke, and my wife send money come give me. You get me, I say? My wife send money come give me. If help send my youth them to school and feed my youth them when me broke. You see me, because economy of Jamaica mash up. You see me, I say, economy of Jamaica mash up. You see me? Because of the corruption in the member of parliament and the security force and everything. You get me, I say? It corrupt. You see me, I deal with? So, you can't try stop tourism blood by putting up video say, murder rate high. Make a mainstream media do that. You not do that. Because the mainstream media now go everywhere, but social media they go everywhere. Do video about how to give solution to the government and the security force to solve the crime in Jamaica. That you have to do. That is what you're supposed to do. You get what I deal with? Yeah. And love your people, them brethren. Don't make nobody, do no video and make nobody tell us if you go suck your mother and this and that. And you know what I mean? I do them kind of video, the blood. Do good video. And try to love your people, them. Big up to all vloggers. Big up all vloggers. Me not diss nobody. You see me, I say, because I'm in America and me listening vloggers, them, you know, feel in touch back with Jamaica. You see me, I say, that's why me I build a little platform and I talk more because I want the people them feel in touch with me. Big up all of my Jamaican people them. You see me, I say, and big up all of vloggers them. You see me, I say, Rapper Crapper, big up yourself, So4 TV, big up yourself. You see me, I say, CMR TV, Motor Massey, Black Bass TV, you know what I mean, Video Links. You get me, I say, one new blogger come on, one brother from area, Mumpella, you know. Him have a blog, but him say live on a Yahweh. So I say, I have to go get his name again. Me forgot him film station. So I say, but I any idea, I go big him up back in one you know, another vlog. You see me I say, big up all I vlogger them. Big up Jamaica P said way, Jamaican P. Although him cuss whole heap of bad word, but I feel him think that. You see me I say, but them man they talk real patois, so you know when they're American and listen to them man, they just feel like they're Jamaica said way. You know what I mean? Big up Jamaica P said way, and big up the whole life vlogger them brethren. I not remember some of them name, but me listen to no brethren. Me listen to vlogger them, and that's why I can come here now and go on an idea say, yo, now put out certain thing. Make certain thing left field mainstream media. You see me I say, put out a thing we can build a solution to war going in Jamaica. Me have another vlog for do, you know. You see me I say, me have another vlog for do, talking about the guns them and them thing there. You see me I say, cause me don't want nobody blame me little poor people them. And the man them where they bring in the guns them. When they not talk about them. So me have another vlogging for do on that. You see me I say, but in the meantime, left a comment and make me see what I say based on what me talk. Left a comment, you see me, and like and share and subscribe to the channel. You get me I say? You go subscribe to the channel, said way. Yeah man. Right now me have some things to do in the day still, so I'm going to lose any blog right now. But what may I say, all of the blogger them using the platform blood. You know have how much thousand views and how much thousand subscribers and them thing there. That means people logging, tuning. So using the platform wisely. Please using the platform wisely. And you see, you know, not even fear say, yo, this a person here that this me and this a person and then I cuss. Me see some people, you know, some cussing what them a do on YouTube, you know. That no make it. All people send chat on YouTube, you know, can't do them thing there. You see me I say? Use the platform wisely. You see me I say? Wisely. Because Jamaica need advice. The Prime Minister need advice. We do a video, you know, about they give some advice to the Prime Minister. I don't know if that video they're reaching yet, but it's up on YouTube. You see me I say? Andrew Wonder's picture up on here and some other picture, you know, it did it. So I don't know if him get that video there and see. But if him see that video there and he listen it and he work with what me I tell him, Jamaica can come back. You see me I say? But Jamaica will have to take sacrifice and discipline. We all have to discipline ourselves. And the people them who have a platform, you all have to discipline yourself by thinking about the right topic what to use and talk the right thing so that we can build back the country. You see me I say? We live a foreign country. The government, the president can say, yo, come up and say, yo, here, everybody want to come from here, go back to their country, you know. Anytime that can happen, you know, we don't know if that go happen or when it go happen, you know, but that can happen. You see me I say? And if that happen, whether you are citizen or whatever, we are send you back to your country. What you go do? You not go back to your country. You have to go back to your country. Somebody can frame you, you can't do something. You go to prison, you get deported. You have to go back to your country. So what you go do? Come pam blog show, you have a platform and chat crap and make your people them back home hate you. You don't do that. You see me I say? Tell them say, yo, when I do some wrongs, you know, just correct on yourself, straighten up on yourself. You get me I say? Hold up on your head, square on your shoulders, pull up on your socks, straighten up on yourself, talk to the Prime Minister, Member of Parliament, talk to the security force. You get me I say? Straighten up yourself. You better beg the government to pay the workers them more money so that corruption can stop. That's one of the main thing can stop corruption and see if we have a better country. You see me I deal with? Those are the things why you have to tell them. But no put up no list about murder rate there so. When me see list, you know, so I'm not even watch a video. I'm not even watch a video, blood. Because me list alone, me see, they tell me why a person is so. You know, so I'm not even watch a video because murder they go on everywhere. Everywhere people are dead. Everywhere in the world. And Jamaica alone. You get what I say? So you don't have to put up that. You see me I say? Enough people now put up for them thing. A social media make me know a lot of things where they go on in America right now, you know. Some things that go on in America amaze you. And a social media, they do it, they show it up. You see me I say? So use the platform to bring some solution and bring some love and unity. You see me I say, because everybody use social media. Them have an Android, they just click on them phone. It's just a button. It's in them hand. It's just a button away for everything what go on. So use the platform to teach consciousness and love and bring unity. You see me I say? And I try use the platform to stop people food. You get me I say? People are report people are make them channel lock down and all kind of foolishness. Use the platform good. Big up all our vlogger them. And big up all our people them are tuning in. Alien, big up yourself. Right now, since me see you use the name Alien, me see everybody that come out with the alien thing and I use the picture said way. But yo, you first do your thing, so you just keep your thing. You see me I say, yo, your music them bad. When we play your music them America, everybody they dance you. You see me I say, big up yourself. You see me I say, just go and put in the works, because I put in the works said way. You see me I say, and big up all of my Mall Road people them. You see me I say, yeah, big up all of my Mall Road people them. Yeah man, Mount Carey, Anchovy, whole place. Yeah man. Alright, me have to do some things in idea, so I go log out right now. So big up everybody. You see me I say, Alien, big up yourself. Young School Production, big up yourself, said Spiel. You don't know you go. Yeah man.